Welcome back to another video, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use schematics in the World Edit. So basically it's very simple to be completely honest right now. You just run a couple commands and use the World Edit X or the wand, and you can basically copy things from one world to the next, one server to the next, or if you're too lazy to build a server spawn or anything like that, you can save it as a schematic and bring it over to your server by putting the physical schematic file. You can put it in your World Edit directory schematics folder and basically reload your server and use the commands that I'll show you, and you could basically copy over anything you want to any server you want or any other world you want. Sorry about that. Yeah, this is my flatland world on my server, and yeah, we actually we use flatland for quite a few things, such as the grinder. So yeah, here's how you're gonna do it. I'll show you some of these schematics that I already have saved. So I'm actually gonna warp grinder. I'm going to show you guys how to save schematics, and as an example, I'll be saving my grinder. So here's what you're going to want to do. You're going to want to select each corner of whatever you want to save. Okay, like so. And once you've done that, you're going to want to stand where you want it to be when you repaste it or load up your schematic. So let's say we just stand there. We can do /s copy, and then /s schematic save, and then since I already have a grinder saved, but I'll resave it. Schematic. Oh, I forgot the schematic save grinder. So now I saved my schematic grinder. So now if I left the server for some reason, or let's say I wanted to transfer it to my other server, so make believe that just a couple blocks away. Alright, I just joined my other world or my other server, or anything like that. So clear clipboard. Okay. So clear clipboard. Alright, so now if we paste, it's not there anymore. Oh man. I shouldn't have logged off from the server. You know, whatever the situation is, either you're copying it from one world to the next, one server to the next, or even you want to save something overnight just in case somebody messes with it while you're gone and you want to pull it back up tomorrow, next day. So yeah, now let's say since we saved the schematic, now let's say we want to like load it back so we can paste it somewhere. So what you would do is you would do /schematic load and then you would type whatever it's called, and letter capitalization doesn't matter, so keep that in mind. So now it says grinder loaded, paste it with /s paste. So let's go to where we want to paste it. Let's say we want our grinder like right here. It's probably gonna go into the void. I'm not sure. No, it worked. So yeah, these item frames are just from those floating words, but yeah, it copied over all of the mobs and everything that was in there, even the spawner type it copied over. I guess that's just because we were on the same server, but I'm not sure completely. So yeah, now we copied that over. So let's say see how it copied and pasted right where I stood. Yeah, that's part of it. So now undo. That's the basics of it. Alright, right? That was kind of loud. Anyway, that's the basics of it. So I saved my schematic grinder, so now I can just go around to wherever I want, any world I want. If you're on single player commands, you could even switch between worlds and load your schematics. If you have world edit. But since we're on a server, we can just go ahead and go wherever we want. This is oh yeah, that's flag here. Yep. Anyway, so now wherever you go, you'll be able to paste it. Let's say you want to download a schematic from somebody else. Let's say they built a really cool arena and you want to put it on your server because you're lazy to build one. And yeah, what you would do is you would download it. Go into your FTP file access, because you know this is a server. I don't know the exact directory for single player commands, but you should see a world edit folder somewhere in your .minecraft, and you'll be able to just browse over to the schematics folder. And if there isn't one, then go ahead and go to Minecraft, save a schematic, test, and then paste it in there. But if you're on a server, you want to go to your FTP file access. You want to head over to your plugins folder, go to world edit, and in world edit you should see schematics. You would open up schematics, hit upload the schematic right into that folder, reload your server, and then you should be able to / schematic list. As long as you have world edit installed, you can / schematic list. I'm not sure if it comes with world guard or world edit, but anyway, you need both. I'm guessing. You definitely need world edit for this though. But what you would do is you would / schematic list, and you would be able to see if it worked or not. And then if it did, you would / schematic load, and whatever it's called. Then you would go ahead and / paste, and there it would be. So anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you understood the tutorial, and I hope this helps out a lot, because I know how it feels. Sometimes, like, I know some people like to make servers like on their computers that they run, but then they want to upgrade to a actual server host, and they're like, man, I just did all that for nothing. Well, no, you didn't. You could actually upload all of your server files to your host and keep all of your progress that you have. And yeah, you can upload worlds and everything straight to your server host, and they will save onto all those files until you stop paying for the host. Like this server is hosted. If you're running the server off of your PC, you would go ahead and just open up whatever folder the server files are saved in. Head over to the plugins folder. Then from the plugins folder, you would go to world edit, open up world edit, and in there you should see schematics. If not, like I said, go into your Minecraft server. In there, you would just save a test schematic, whatever. It'll create the schematic folder as soon as you do, and then you just go ahead and drag and drop the schematic in there, and then you could go reload your Minecraft server, and it's schematic list. It should be in there if it wasn't corrupt, or if it's up to date with your plugin. And you could basically / schematic, or / schematic load, and / paste. That's basically it. Anyway, guys, like I said, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope this helped. Tell me what you're gonna use this for in the comments, if you're gonna use it, or if you're just gonna save it as future knowledge, just in case you ever do need it. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and yeah, peace out.